We are ready to put this baby in the lift, and we're going to change the tires on it. There you have it. That's the little lift. Got my coffee, let me move it out the way. There you go. This is the lift. Alright guys, there you go. Look how nice and shiny it looks. Beauty, huh? What a beauty. Alright guys, let's start working on these tires. Let's start working on these tires. Alright. A special wrench. Sorry. Let me fix this a little. Sorry guys. No. Alright. So we're gonna start with the left front wheel. Alright. Kinda greasy. I got some BW40 in my hands. But it's okay. It's not a problem. Not a problem. I'm gonna be doing a whole set of wheels, baby. A whole set of wheels. It's the old wheels. See? The old ones. But I'm not gonna throw these away. Because I could probably see it has holes in it. If you can see right here. Let me see where is that. Okay, right here. See, I stick my finger in it. That's not good. I mean, you can still run these. You can run them, but it wasn't giving me a good performance, so I decided to get a whole new set of wheels. So I'm gonna look, guys. This is the wheels, and I'm gonna be doing a comparison from the old to the new ones, because I think these new ones, they're just a little taller and a little wider, but it fits perfect here, so that's what matters. All right, so let's take the rear one out. This one's pretty tight. Wow, this is pretty tight. Okay. Dang, guys, what's going on? Super tight. Look at me, I'm straining. Wow. What the hell? All right, got it loose. All right, I'm gonna turn it around for you. You can see I'm taking the other one out. It's out. I'm doing a whole entire 360 with this. Look, guys. This lift is pretty cool. I like it. Damn, it's tight. Can't believe how tight this is. Super tight. Yeah. Super tight, man. What's going on? All right, got it out. Out. And we're going for the last one. There you go, right here. There you go. Pretty tight. They were pretty tight. All right, I'm gonna do a 360 for you to see how the Kraton looks without tires. This is how it's looking without the tires. Yes, sir. This little lift is kind of crazy. It's slippery because of the W40, but it's okay. All right, there you have it. ARRMA KRATON with no wheels. Look how it looks. I'm gonna spray a little bit more. This is like, all right, spray that little baby right there. All right. Let me have a sip of coffee. So I'm tired. I need to wake up. Let's get it on, baby. Now we going to put the new wheels in here. But like I said, check these out. These are the new ones. Aftermarket. But it fits. And now, this is the old ones. Show you 17 millimeters. I'm just showing you for you can see that it fits. But yeah, there you have it. New, old. Look at the difference. Look how wide it is, guys. I really like these tires. I can't wait to see this truck with these tires on. And let's do it. Going, let's see if they have rotation, because you have to check, because you know these little toys is like a real car. You have to check if the tires are rotated or not rotated. Inspection. All right, so it looks like it's not a rotation tire. So let's give it a try right now, guys. We going for it. Let me see how this baby's gonna work in here. All right, it's in. 1 in and 3 to go. There we go, 1 tire in. Uh-oh, I'm having problems. Uh-oh. You see, guys, I have a little issue. The tire, it works, it fits, not a problem. It works perfect, but now the rim is too deep. If you see, this rim is flush. That's the old rim. Now look at the new rim, how deep it is. This is on. I'm just gonna show you the one I got out. You see the dip, how deep it is? So I'm gonna have to get a different wrench to tighten this baby up. I gotta stop this video, but stay tuned for the other 3 tires. All right, guys, I got the right tool now. So now we're going to fix this. Oh Guess what, guys? I lied to you. This is not the right tool. Alright guys, I was using this. As you can see, the rim is so deep that the wrench doesn't fit. So I have to go and get this. If I can be able to tighten these wheels the right way. So there you go. Alright guys, I have one up and 3 to go. Second wheel. Let's put it in here. There you go. Perfect. Perfecto. Perfecto. Oh, this little lift sucks. I don't know what's up with this lift. I don't know what it's doing. It's supposed to stay there. Oh, I should strap it. That's what I should do. It's giving me a headache, man. All right. 2 of them on. Look at this. Wow, it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful, guys. I love it. I really like it a lot. Let's get the other one open. Look at it, guys. Rip this baby open. Booyah. And booyah. All right, let's do it. Guys, I went to a skate park. I went today and I took the rustler. I'm gonna show you that little baby in a minute. And skate park is pretty cool, man. But guys, the first jump that I did in that skate park, I thought I was recording it with the GoPro, but I didn't have it filming. That sucked. That sucked. But yeah, I did a super high jump, and guys, I busted the springs on the rustler. Yeah, that kind of sucked. But hey, that's part of the game. That's part of the game. What's the point? Come on, guys. What's the point? What's the point of having an RC truck if you're not gonna beat the crap out of it? Look, guys, look at this ARRMA. This ARRMA KRATON. Since I had it, since I bought this baby it has been beat up. Beat the crap out of this truck, man. Look, I had to get a new set of wheels. That's how bad I'll be beating this truck up. Yep, I'll be beating it up. But I'm all done, guys. Check it out. Check it out. With the new wheels on. Come on, guys. You're gonna tell me if this doesn't look good. Look at it. It looks good, right, guys? Look at it with the wheels on. Beautiful, right, guys? I love it. Now it looks like a real beast. Look at these tires, man. Look at these tires compared to the old ones. Look, these are the old ones. Look how small. Look. these tires compared to these. See this? Look. Look at this. Small compared to these. Look, you see it's crazy. Super crazy. But anyway, guys, I hope you like this video, and please stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe. Remember, guys, I have more toys coming up for you guys. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Peace. Alright, guys, that's the ARRMA with the new wheels. Look how it looks. Those are the old wheels right there. Those are the new ones. Look how it looks. It looks beautiful. And yeah, that's the Rustler from Traxxas. As you can see, I got Traxxas and my favorite, the ARRMA, which is this truck right here. And that's the body of it. But yeah, this is my little setup, guys. It's my little setup. I hope you guys like this setup. Pretty cool setup. I'm starting this up. I'm starting this business up. So there you have it, my little setup. This is nothing. You guys are gonna be seeing more cars in here. I'm gonna be doing more shelves like these right here. The whole entire wall is gonna have shelves like that. I'm gonna have different cars from ARRMA, my favorite company. And I'm also gonna be having Traxxas, some Traxxas and some ARRMA. But remember, guys, the ARRMA KRATON is one of my favorite trucks. I like ARRMA, and I'm gonna stick around a long time with this company. But once again, you can't resist to have 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5 cars from Traxxas. So this is my first Traxxas truck, the Rustler 4x4 VXL. There you have it. I'll take this little wire up for you to see it. Yep. So I hope you like this video. And stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Peace.